Hey there muscle car fans, thank you for watching Pedal to the Metal Muscle Car Performance. Today we're going to show you this completely restored 1969 Dodge Charger RT. This car is a true RT. It's also completely numbers matching, which means it's got the factory original driveline still in place. And all the options on this car, and there are many special options, are factory original to this car. It's a great piece in fantastic condition, with great paint, great shine, fantastic chrome, and all the pieces that you see on this car were hand rebuilt or restored. The complete engine and transmission were also rebuilt to factory specifications, and the underside of this car is also completely original condition and looks brand new. All the brakes, all the suspension and all the steering systems were rebuilt, and the complete interior was also restored. The car is an amazing color combination of B5 blue exterior color with a black vinyl top and a blue interior, which is really rare. All the numbers on this car are original and they match the car. It's got the original fender tag still in place, and we got other documentation with the car as well. As you can see, the interior is also beautiful. The complete dashboard and all the gouges were refaced and restored as well. And everything on the car is functional, so no flaws here. The car has been completely checked and upgraded by Pedal to the Metal. It's been serviced and it's ready to drive and to be enjoyed. For more information, please see our website at www.pedaltothemetal.nl for all the other information, pictures and price of the car. Thank you for watching.